Hi, I'm Dave Baring, Technical Director here at TriStar, and welcome to another Ask the Expert segment. This question today comes to us from one of our customers that makes the small construction equipment. These would be like the small excavators and things that you can get at the rental yards to build a pool in your backyard or something like that. But this particular customer says our company uses cast nylon in a lot of our bearing applications on our equipment. It seems that some of the applications are pushing the limit of the material, and we wonder which of the TriStar products might be a good replacement. Well, nylon, especially the cast nylons, are very, very good and have proven to be very good candidates for off-road construction equipment, farm equipment, and have performed there very well for many, many years. There are a few minor drawbacks to those materials when it comes to things like moisture absorption and long-term UV stability and things like that. But that being said, they are still very good materials for that type of equipment, but there are some better materials, and it really depends on where exactly you want to use it. Where the nylons really come into play on off-road equipment are wear pads, shivs, like cable shivs and things like that. Very common applications on construction equipment. Where we really do well in that environment is on more traditional bearings, pivot points. This would be like on front-end loaders or excavators, dozers, graders, things like that. Any place where you've got a pivot point where you've got exposure to dirt and grime and mud and dirt, rocks and things like that, where you've got extreme load conditions, where you have a lot of vibration. These are the places where our UltraComp material and our CJ bearings really shine. They're really designed for that kind of environment. A lot of vibration and impact in construction equipment, and so the UltraComp, the UC200, has proven to be very, very good in that environment. Everything from articulating rod end bearings to wear pads. Again, the lift and tilt applications all over those pieces of equipment are really where we shine. And the big advantage, obviously, is that you don't need lubrication. You don't have to worry about swell because the UltraComp and the CJ do not swell. Very low friction values on the UltraComp and the CJ. A lot of variety that we can offer depending on the environment and the hardware conditions. We have several UltraComp grades, we have several CJ grades, but these are the materials that we would normally recommend in the construction equipment industry, whether it's the small equipment or the large equipment. We've got relatively few limitations in terms of size constrictions with these types of applications. There's not too many places on a piece of construction equipment that we can't fit our products in. And really, the place where these bearings really are best suited is where you're replacing things like bronze bushings or hardened steel bushes, rolled spring bushes, things like that, all of which require lubrication. So whether you're using nylon now or using hardened steel, the UltraComp and the CJ materials are very good candidates to consider if you want to eliminate lube, accommodate high vibration and impact, accommodate dirt and dust and rocks and mud and all the things that you would find on a piece of construction equipment. So that would be the direction we would take you if you had that inquiry of us. And if you have an application on a construction machine or any kind of outdoor equipment, cranes, scissor lifts, snorkel lifts, anything with a lift and tilt environment, that's really where we shine. So if you have any questions specifically, please give us a call, 800-TriStar. Visit our website again and go to the Ask the Expert and give us the parameters of your application, and we're happy to give you a call and work through it with you. I know we've got some solutions because we've got an awful lot of material selections to draw from. So give us a call. We look forward to talking to you, and hope to see you on another Ask the Expert.